Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone camera to do a Google Meet. So the Google Meet is going to come from your laptop, but you're going to use the camera on your phone. Actually, you can even swap. You can switch between your phone camera and your laptop. Maybe there's something that you have to show using your camera, but then back to your computer camera. Okay. So let me start by initiating the Google Meet. And when I'm in Google Meet, let me try to generate a link, start an instant meeting. When the meeting has started, you're going to go to, let me first cross this. You're going to go to this, where you see the video settings. There's this arrow which goes up. You're going to click on it. Then it will show you the camera that you're using. So this is my computer camera. So you're going to click on that drop down. Now, on my computer, it can bring the Infinix Note i12i. Now, for you to link your camera to this Google Meet, you have to install a Windows software. Okay, you're going to install a Windows software called Link to Windows. Okay, this is a software that you have to click on that you have to install on your phone. And once installed, it will look like this. It usually appears here with these icons. Okay. So once you have installed it, make sure in your computer you start an application called Phone Link. Because at the start you have to make sure this Link to Windows app on your phone connects with your PC. On your PC, Phone Link comes by default. So after installing the app on your phone, Link to Windows, start also the Phone Link, let them synchronize, then you can go on your Google Meet and this option will be there. Okay, so that's how you can use your phone camera with Google Meet. You can actually just switch this. I can easily tick on this, then I'll be using the phone camera. I can easily switch on this, then I can use this. You can even actually have others. So that's how you can use your phone camera on your Google Meet. Okay? See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Bye-bye.